I think this program was rather a very inspiring one, and I can learn a lot from the program. I met many friends. I paid a visit to Prague and the other countries in Europe, and most importantly, I learned both law and business. As for a law student, I only learn law about something about law in our Chinese school, but here I can learn a lot of things about business, and that's very beneficial to me from my perspective. Yes. Yeah, I like it very much because they come from varieties of countries. They come from all around the world, yeah, and I really like many of them, and they are very patient, and every time I ask them a question, they can answer me patiently, and they are all very famous in their field, of course, yes, and that's why I think I like them very much. Well, first I was very interested in the Prague city, and as I have concerned, the Prague was a city with a long history, and there's many scenic spots in Prague. And after I learned what the program what the program will teach me, and I think the program was tailored for me. And I think the program was good, and I become very interested in the whole program, and I just signed up. Oh, I think they must pay attention to what the speakers is talking about. Only looking to and reviewing the materials wasn't enough, and that's what exactly I was doing in the first week, and I find it not very efficient, so I changed my strategy the second week, and I find it more easier for me to learn. Yeah.